Sa likod ng kasal behind the vows, isinulat mula kay Cholution Energy para sa lahat ng tahimik na lumalaban sa ngalan ng pagmamahal. Hindi lahat ng kasal masaya. Some couples stay not because of love, but because they're too afraid to let go. Sa labas, they look perfect. Nakasmile, may pa-anniversary post. Pero sa loob ng bahay nila, silence, distance, cold air. She shouts all the time. Hindi dahil masama siya, but because she feels invisible. She's tired of repeating herself, tired of begging to be heard. Tahimik si lalaki. Pero hindi ibig sabihin ayos siya. He's quiet because he no longer knows how to fight back without causing more damage. They sit at the same table. Nagkakasalubong sa kusina, pero parang estranghero. Same roof, same bed, but two completely different worlds. The word marriage is still there, pero deep inside, ang nararamdaman nila ay marriage. Puno ng galit, tampo at hindi matapos-tapos na tanong. Kailan nga ba nagbago ang lahat? When did love become a routine? When did affection turn into obligation? Parang unti-unting nawawala ang kulay ng relasyon. Naging tahimik ang mga gabi. Not peaceful, just empty. Wala nang kumustahan. Walang I miss you. Puro kamusta bayarin. They sleep side by side. Pero hindi na magkatabi ang damdamin. They stay because it's familiar. Not because they're happy. And that's the truth no one talks about. Cholution Energy's Real Talk Tips. Paano ayusin ang relasyon kung kaya pa bago tuluyang sumuko? 1. Mag-usap, hindi magbangayan. Communication isn't just about talking, it's about listening. Baka hinihintay mo lang siyang sumagot, pero hindi mo na siya naiintindihan. 2. Balikan kung bakit kayo nagsimula. Revisit your origin story. Sometimes, healing begins with remembering why you chose each other. 3. Maghilom kayo, hindi lang magtiis. Healing isn't forgetting. It's choosing to rebuild. Hindi sapat ang tiis. Dapat sabay kayong lumalaban. O, ayusin ang sarili, hindi lang ang relasyon. Strong marriages come from two healed individuals. Hindi pwedeng laging basang papel ang isa. 5. Gumawa ng bagong memories. Don't just replay the past, rewrite the story. Try new habits. Reconnect through little things. 6. Seek help kung kailangan. Walang masama sa counseling or mentorship. Minsan isang neutral voice ang kailangan para marinig ang isa't isa. 7. Huwag ikahiya ang paghihina. You're allowed to feel lost and tired. What matters is you're still willing to try together. 8. Ibalik ang respeto. Respect is the foundation. Speak with grace, even in pain. And remember, if both still want this to work, then both must work for it. Not one, not sometimes, but always together. Cholution Energy reminder, you don't fix a broken home by escaping it. You fix it by building new foundations inside it. Unahin mo ang pagmamahal sa sarili mo to finally give love back to you. Kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong kwento, follow Cholution Energy on YouTube. This is Chell. See you sa next kwento.